10 DIY storage boxes, baskets and containers. Store-bought boxes and bins can be prohibitively expensive if you're trying to get organized on a budget, but that's no excuse. There are plenty of DIY storage container projects that won't break the bank. Here are 10 of my favorites. 1. Make a set of colorful drawer organizers using the tutorial and video description. 2. Crochet a couple of these beautiful storage baskets using leftover bits of yarn. Free pattern can be found in video description. 3. Here's another gorgeous basket tutorial. Link found in video description. 4. Rolling storage containers are super versatile. Find out how to make these in video description. 5. This reversible fabric box could be used in the nursery, or the office, or the living room, and the list goes on. Link to the reversible fabric box in video description. 6. Turn an old crate into a vintage-style rolling storage bin using the tutorial in the video description. 7. Tin cans could be upcycled to create one of these fun utensil organizers. Fun utensil organizers tutorial can be found in video description. 8. Coffee containers can be reused too. Click on the link in video description to read more about these DIY kitchen storage containers. 9. Make this nautical box out of an empty kitty litter container. You could apply the same technique to another type of box, too. The tutorial in the video description. 10. These boxes look high-end, but they're dirt cheap to make. Check out the directions in video description.